Kai Havertz yesterday played like he was aiming for the moon instead of the goal. This man had 5 golden chances and somehow found new ways to miss each one. First chance, one-on-one with the keeper. Shoots straight at him like he's practicing passing drills. Second chance, open goal from 6 yards. Hits the crossbar more than a drunk person hits snooze on Monday morning. Arsenal fans went from screaming goal to questioning the laws of physics in real time. Then he gets a third chance, completely unmarked in the box. Somehow manages to kick the ball backwards. At this point, even the opposition keeper looked confused, like, wait, am I supposed to save that? But then Havertz does one perfect touch, controls the ball beautifully, and everyone thinks he's finally awake. No. Next shot goes into orbit. The commentators kept talking about his confidence issues, like he needs a therapy session, not shooting practice. Honestly, at this point, we're wondering if Havertz has been practicing with his eyes closed, because that would actually explain everything.